how every graduate can earn 1 million naira every 30 days. Every Nigerian graduate that has served as a copper after his 1 year of service can earn 1 million naira every month. To earn this 1 million naira is not a dream. It's not a hyperbole. It is an idea and a system that has been created by World Poverty Eradication System to eradicate poverty from Nigeria. It is an idea that is created in order for many Nigerians to get out of poverty very fast. To be able to do this, these Nigerian graduates and coppers will have to do something different from what they've been doing before. Every graduate after graduation, and they leave the university, and after serving for 1 year, a lot of them are left at home without jobs. In most cases, many of these graduates will never do what they learned in school. So all their years of going to school and all their years of learning will become wasted. In order for this not to happen again, the World Poverty Eradication System has created an idea, created a system. And this system can empower every graduate in Nigeria to earn 1 million naira after graduation, after they left the university, after they have finished their service. This is what the World Poverty Eradication System is presently offering every Nigerian that will go to university and graduate. The possibility of this 1 million naira as a monthly salary or earn from business or whatever they are doing is for each of these graduates to do something different from what they do after they graduate from school. For them to be able to earn this money, they need to be in a system where the possibility of them getting this 1 million naira will be possible. And for it to be possible, this system will make sure that every of these graduates will continue to use what they learn in school to create this money in 30 days. It also means they will not sit at home and become jobless. It also means that what they learn at school will become a resources they will sell in exchange for this 1 million. How can this be possible? Because presently the government can't earn all these coppers, all these graduates. Most of the company cannot do so. So how can a graduate, after his service from a university, will be able to earn 1 million naira in 30 days? Like as I said before, it has to be done with the creation of an idea, with the creation of a system. It is this system, it is this idea that will be able to offer them this 1 million naira. So how will this be possible? World Poverty Eradication System has created a platform that will continue to help these these graduates to get this million every month. This platform is presently raising 37 million Nigerians, a million of them from each state, that will become entrepreneurs, that will become men and women that will create solutions to solve Nigerian problem. When we say solution to solve Nigerian problem, we mean most Nigerians today are jobless. So we have to create jobs for them. How can we create jobs for jobless men in a country where the government is even finding it difficult to do this? How can we create jobs for jobless men in a state where the governor cannot do this? How can we create jobs for jobless men in a country where even the businessmen are afraid to employ these graduates? The possibility of this will become a system that is created to turn the human resources of this graduate, of these jobless men, to money. How can this be possible? It will come out through services. Creation of services, creations of products and services that will solve Nigerian problem. And in doing this, those that will benefit from this product and services will reward those that produce this product. So how come these youth corpers and graduates become part of it? They will have to become part of this 1 million person in each state. They will have become a registered member of this 1 million people in each state. And this system is what that will give them the power to be able to earn that kind of money. They will sell everything you want to need in Nigeria. They will sell food. They will sell auto care. They will sell transportation. They will sell how to own a home, how to build a home. They are going to sell a lot of needs for Nigerians. Now, when we call them needs, a lot of people are confused. They don't know what we are trying to say. For you to get a clean bath, you need soap. So soap is a need. You also need clean water. Water is a need. You need food. Food is a need. You need good medical care. This care is a need. So, the World Poverty Eradication System has created a network of how Nigerian problem can be solved by a solution created by an idea. So that these jobless graduates, these jobless youth corpers that graduate from school will become job creator after graduation. Let me shock you. If you think what is being said is a dream, then wake up from your dream. Wake up from your dream very, very fast. Why? Whether you believe this idea or you don't, this idea is already recruiting these youth corpers and graduates to form 100 million of them in a state that will transform each state's economy. Most Nigerians are looking at the present economy that there is no solution to solve our problem. But World Poverty Eradication has a solution for this. World Poverty Eradication has a system where the jobless man is going to have a job. The businessman with an idea will have fund to fund his idea to sell and get money. The woman that wants to do something to create money will also be able to do that. That's why we told you that World Poverty Eradication System has an idea to solve this problem. All you need is to come and learn how this will be possible. Job is already created for the jobless corper, for the jobless graduate. Now, it will shock you that a lot of graduate and jobless men in this country, they are a liability to the country. They consume, they eat, but they are not contributing. World Poverty Eradication is going to do this. And the way we are going to do it is that we have created ideas that will formulate product, formulate needs, services that will solve Nigerian problem. For example, in the areas of health, most of the jobless doctors will become consultants that help Nigerians to protect themselves from being sick. Yes, they will offer solution in that area so that instead of them being sick, they can be protected from being sick. Now, there are issues of electricity in this country. Most people think that it's only the federal government that can offer 24-hour stable electricity. That is not true. There are training that are going to be given to coppers in order for individual Nigerians to have personal 24-hour electricity. It may not be generated by NEPA, but it could be a solar system, which Nigerian has already known, but a lot of them are not using it. Yes, there are a lot of ideas, and this will solve most problems Nigerians are presently facing. You and I know that cattle areas, Fulani men are presently slaughtering people because of their cattle. There is going to be a solution to that. That solution is having a cattle ranch where cattle can be reared, processed, and this meat from this cattle or meat can be sold to Nigeria. That's not all. So there are a lot of solutions to solve Nigerian problem. Both the government and most Nigerian governors, even the businessmen, do not see this. That's why they are only turning their faces to face China, turning their face to face America or every other country they believe that can solve their problem. But from now on, the World Poverty Eradication System has raised a mantle, a banner, that every Nigerian graduate or copper after service can earn ₦1 million. When they come, we will train them, we will give them information. You can imagine a graduate heading about 100 persons that are able to create wealth during product creation and services. And each of these is returning 10,000 to this graduate. That is about 1 million we are talking about. We are talking about how product and services can reach those that are in need, wherever they are, in their home, where they are working. This is a system that will be created that will sell your food, like bread, your meat, anything you want to you while you are in your home. We need these jobless graduates and those that are leaving school to form this kind of system that will drive the economy. Not only the government can do this, and because it is not only the government can do it, we need partnership with them. That's why World Poverty Eradication has come up with ideas to raise these coppers from their joblessness, to raise these graduates from their joblessness, to create jobs, to create ideas, to create services that can meet the needs of Nigeria. When this is done, those that are benefiting from the product and services that we serve to them can actually reward these graduates in a way of giving them back what they give to the economy. World Poverty Eradication System has created this idea. World Poverty Eradication System has created this platform. World Poverty Eradication System, powered by intellectual ideas for billion, has also created 7 instruments that will resolve this issue. The Givers community is a digital community like Facebook and WhatsApp. We have the TrillionMart.com, electronic market like Jumia, Alibaba, and Amazon. The cashless payment system, an app that pay when you buy and also pay you when you sell, so that those who are in the system do not use their money to buy and sell. That is when they want to sell. Now they want to create products that will meet and solve Nigerian needs. You have the entrepreneurship mindset. This is where most person who has an idea to create something are going to be given the tools to create these ideas. They will no longer be given fish like what the government is doing, but they are going to be taught to create and feed themselves by catching fishes. Yes, you have the job creator. The job creator is going to give job to the jobless. And how will this be possible? There are ideas that are going to come up on how these jobless people are going to be getting jobs. We are living in a cyber world. As we leave the industrial age to the internet age, job creation system has changed. So you have to change the way you create jobs for people, for them to have jobs, in order for them to create what Nigerians need to grow. Financial Clinic School is the school that will teach them everything, like the voice you are hearing that is talking to you now has learned from the Financial Clinic School. So many Nigerians are going to learn and be able to teach others. In doing this, most of these jobless Nigerians will no longer be lacking jobs, but instead will be creating jobs for others. This is what the vision, World Poverty Eradication System has, that is launching to the world. How do we launch this? We are on Facebook, Financial Clinic TV. We are on Twitter, Financial Clinic TV. We are on Instagram, Financial Clinic TV. And this video is presently on YouTube, where you can listen to it and download it. Then the wisest thing you should do is to take our WhatsApp group number 080-637-21777. I repeat, 080-637-21777. When you are in this WhatsApp group, this video can be downloaded to you immediately without anything, so that you can listen and you will follow how World Poverty Eradication System, powered by intellectual ideas, is going to make youth corpers and graduates to earn ₦1 million in 30 days. Earning ₦1 million in 30 days is no longer a dream, but it's real. First, you must manifest, and to manifest it, you must be part of what World Poverty Eradication System is doing. Thank you very much, and be part of what we are doing as you support us to spread this idea to other Nigerians. And if you do that, you will be handsomely rewarded. Thank you very much.